happened to my hair. I washed it the other day and ever since it's been all kind of straight. I don't like it. I like my hair wavy and messy. What's happening? I really need a haircut. On the subject of not what I wanted to talk about, it really bothers me though. It is Tuesday morning. It is the third full day that the kids have been away. It's so funny. So I've had one Sunday, so a day off, and one working day, and it's just insane how much time I have. And it's not so much that I have more time to do more things. I mean, I do have time to do more things, but it's specifically that I'm talking to the camera. It's specifically that I feel not stressed. And so I do one thing and I'm actually just doing the one thing without feeling like, oh, I'm supposed to already doing the other thing, or I haven't got time, or I get interrupted because I need to go and do something else. So, oh my God, who knew about this life? I didn't know this existed. I'm just making my breakfast over here and some tea. And today, it's just so weird. It's so weird to have like a whole Tuesday of time. Because Tuesday is usually my most inefficient day with, you know, dropping off the kids, picking up the kids, therapy. Yes, meow, exactly. And I was thinking about the fact that doing the school run, dropping off, going back home, picking up, going back home, it takes me about 2 hours of my day. That's 2 hours of my day, every day, pretty much every day. Anyway, yes, so did I say we're gonna go to the library today because Andrew's looking up some stuff about the local area and I need me some new young adult fiction to read. Gonna check that out. And then other than that, well, I've got a full to-do list, so I'm gonna try and do that. I was also trying to clean the house, which I succeeded at quite well on Sunday, but not at all yesterday. And it also makes me realize that if I want to, you know, have a clean house, it's just not possible. There isn't enough time to do my jobs, take care of the kids, do all the things. Oh yeah, like deal with the meow monster there as well. To do all the things and clean the house to a acceptable standard. So my house is just always clean to an unacceptable standard. And I think that's just the way it's going to have to be. Yes, I know it's terrible, isn't it? And you add to it by occasionally peeing on the floor. It's terrible, Teak. Yes, I'm glad you're sorry. I got my nice envelope back. I think all of the things inside of it collected at one side, so it's no longer, it's too thick. So I have to basically open it and see if I can get everything in there so that it fits inside the thickness limit. Anyway, I did get some nice Happy Mail, like not my own, basically, getting my own Happy Mail back. I got this wonderful little card from Michelle and a sticker and a handwritten note, which I am about to read. Right, we have to go in a minute, so I'm just kind of like getting my life sorted out. Oh yeah, I just wanted to say, like, I haven't been vlogging a lot partly because I'm taking a break, partly because I feel like, how much else can I show you of like cups of tea and, I don't know, just me sitting at my computer. There isn't so much exciting things going on, but also because I'm starting to like percolate in my head about the things that I want to do before the end of the year, and there is a specific video that I want to make, and I kind of feel like my brain can't vlog at the same time as doing that video. So I'm going to probably go back to my usual way, my pre-Vlogmas way of vlogging. Although I have got a few takeaways from doing Vlogmas, which is great, which is one is that I am almost exclusively using my phone for vlogging, which has really suited me. And the second thing is that doing a vlog in one day has been really great. So I like those things, but I think I'm gonna go back vlogging or having a vlog out, you know, maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks, and see if I can utilize my time better to do a few other projects that I want to do. And also I want to do more painting. I find it so difficult, and actually the vlogging helps with doing painting, but I just need to yeah, I don't know, I'm not making sense, but it's a thing. It's a difficult decision really, because the vlogging really motivates me to do things, but then it actually also makes me too busy and encroaches on the other things. So I don't know, man, I don't know. Also, I really need to sort out my hair. It's really bothering me. Yeah. What was I gonna say? Oh, this is just like the most random vlog ever. And rambly. And I'm sorry, but to be honest, if you're one of the people who watches my vlogs anyway and who've been watching for, you know, the last few weeks, months, years, then hopefully you won't mind.
Facing the wrong way, honestly.
This is the solution. The solution to me not liking how my hair is situated at the moment is to just cut off the top of my head using the camera framing. It's great. We were out much longer than I expected. We were like in the library for 2 hours, and then we went and grabbed some lunch at a cute pub, and it was so nice. We don't do these kind of things very often, and most of that is born out of, you know, having kids. I'm just feeling a bit bleh at the moment, so I've come up here and I'm thanking past Iris from about 15 minutes ago, because I went and pressed the buttons on the thermostat to make sure that the heating came on in here. So it is actually nice and warm in here instead of freeze your balls off cold. I am here to sort out this envelope. I am going to maybe christen my junk journal. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna put on some music and be with my feelings, yo. Oh, and I wanted to say thank you to all of you who put thumbs up on my videos. You know, I really appreciate it. It makes a big difference. And I realized that because I watch vlogs myself and I watch videos on YouTube, and often I am watching them, like just getting them to autoplay kind of in the background. And when you're watching it in that kind of situation, you don't tend to press the like button. Or if you watch a video that's like embedded somewhere and then the like button, you'd have to go to YouTube. Anyway, I'm rambling. Anyway, I really appreciate the fact that so many of you take the trouble to press the like button. It means a lot to me. Thank you. But also, you know, if you just have videos auto-playing in the background, please don't ever feel like you have to press the like button. But if you can, I appreciate it. Oh, actually, the other thing that I might do right now is maybe I will record my end of the month podcast for Patreon. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna just take it easy and not feel like I have to do anything specific.